John Arrowsmith, Tactica Sacra, Episode 18. O glossam, ut clementissime loquar, dilutam et frigidam, ut verissime falsam et mendacem, secine moles Christiani, prote evangelium nobis erdripi, secine dilac erdradri magnam hanc et primam salutis nostrae, chartam patiemur, absit a nobis quam longissime. As Arrowsmith continues here, he is rebuking, he's speaking, apostrophizing a man named Valentinus Smalcius. Now, Smalcius was a Socinian, that is, part of a sect that arose in the 16th century and denied the Trinity. So he says, O tongue, O glossam, referring to what Smalcius said, O tongue that is weak, dilutam, and cold. If I'm going to speak, or that I should speak very mildly, very mercifully, O tongue, that is, ut verissime, should I speak very truthfully, false and lying, falsam et mendacem. So these accusatives here, glossam, feminine singular accusative, it's an exclamatory accusative, and it has these four modifiers, dilutam, frigidam, falsam, and mendacem. He's then going to go on and ask a set of questions, two in particular, sikine. So these two words are from sik, which means thus, the interrogative particle ne, and this pointer word here, kei, which means it's deictic, it points to or draws attention to the thing to which it is attached. Is this the way, sikine, mild Christians, gentle Christians, moles Christiani, masculine, plural, and vocative. Is this the way, gentle Christians, that your proto-evangelium should be torn from us, or our proto-evangelium is ripped from us? The proto-evangelium is neuter singular and accusative as the subject of the infinitive eripi, which is a passive infinitive from eripio, eripere, a third conjugation verb, and the proto-evangelium is a reference to Genesis 3:15, the first announcement of the gospel in the Christian scriptures. Is this how, mild Christians, our proto-evangelium is torn from us, and nobis in the masculine plural and dative? Now he will ask the second question, is this how, sikine, to be ripped to shreds, magnam hanc et primam chartam, this first, or this great and first charter or document of our salvation, is this how we shall allow it to be ripped to shreds, dilacrari, So patiemur is from this third conjugation deponent verb, pati or pati, like so, and it's a future, a first plural, future indicative and passive, because it's deponent. Dilacrari is a first conjugation verb, dilacro, dilacarare, like so, and this is a passive infinitive, as you can see by the ending. Is this how we shall permit this first and great document of our salvation, salutis nostrae, feminine singular genitive, to be ripped to shreds, to be mangled, dilacrari? The subject of dilacrari is chartam, which is, of course, accusative. And now he ends with a usive subjunctive, absit. May such a thing be as far from us as possible. May such an action, such an idea, namely the stealing and shredding of our document, our chartam, the charter of our salvation, may such a thing be from us, away from us, or removed from us by as far a stretch as possible. So notice that quam plus a superlative adverb in Latin typically means as blank as possible. So as far, as distant as possible. And that's how we would interpret this here. And then we have absit, which is a third singular present subjunctive active. It means to be removed from. And then nobis, a masculine plural, ablative of separation. If you would like to read a more polished, finished translation, I've provided one for you here.
If you enjoyed that little video lesson, please go ahead and subscribe for us, click the bell, and so forth. Check out the other videos on this page, leave a comment, and please be sure to check out our Patreon page as well.